to thank Ben Baker for nominating me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Before I dump this gallon of water on me with ice, 4 ice cubes, I'd like to nominate 5 people. First, I'd like to nominate Vincent Ryan from North Jersey Bobcat, Warren Gonzalez from Foley Caterpillar, Governor Cody, and we will also be making a donation to the Cody Mental Health Foundation, Elnardo Webster, and we will also be making a donation to the United Negro College Fund, and Henry Klingeman. So now I'm going to dump this gallon of water with 4 ice cubes on me.
Gotta put the hard hat on.